So here's an example of a quick demonstration site that I've built using Drupal Gardens. If you followed this Masterclass 18 right through the 8 modules that we've gone through, you should have something which, while it may look entirely different to this because of the flexibility that Drupal Gardens gives you, should be similar in terms of the functionality and the way you've refined and honed things. So for instance, we have a logo, which is one that I designed and put in there myself. We have a main navigation area here that takes me down to the key areas at level 2 of the site. We have a template which I've been able to select and adjust to suit myself. This template has an area for news content. I've made news the focus of my page, so news is actually the home page as well as being one of the key content areas. And then I've got 2 areas which Drupal calls sidebars, sidebar A and sidebar B. Sidebar A I'm using as an index, and I'm building, as I build the site, I'm going to add in links to all the key areas there. And then sidebar B I'm using the main part of it for RSS feeds. I've just put one in at the moment, but I could add as many as I like, and I could also put those feeds in different pages, in different modules and areas of pages as I saw fit. I've also got a picture gallery down here. If we click through to one of the news stories, we've got through from our cell and our head, we've got a content here where we have images and we have video. And down at the bottom here we've got 2 things. This is the social connections. I've adapted this so that it goes to all my social presences. I could add a lot more, but that'll do for now. And I can also build in other units. This is a link to a partner site. I've also been able to build a poll in here, and there's all sorts of other functionality that I can add in if I would like to. Now this site is not finished. There's a great deal more I could do. There's a lot more building that I could do with it, but it does demonstrate the simple principles of this system and really shows that although Drupal Gardens suggest that you can build a site in 15 minutes, I think that's stretching it quite a lot and you won't get very much out of it in 15 minutes. But if you do spend a couple of days working on this, I think it's well worth it. It will enable you to build a site which is as professional as pretty much any site that you'll see out there, and with a little bit of care and a little bit of application and use of the forums and the various other support facilities that there are in Drupal Gardens, you will be able to build something which, as a non-coder, really does make you as effective a web developer, in my opinion, as many of the professionals out there now.